Hi, my name is Poojith Ullal
Myself Abhishek Naik.
from CIIPDC College of Engineering and Management, currently pursuing Electronics and Communication Engineering 4th year.
Currently studying in CIIPDC Engineering and Management as a first year in Electronics and Communication branch.
So one day while scrolling through WhatsApp, I came across this workshop of 3D designing and modeling conducted by CIIPDC-UDUPI.
I have been part of this CIIPDC center from last 1 year. Whenever I come to this center, I used to see my seniors building these kind of robots. After seeing these robots, even I got some enthusiasm to create these kind of robots.
So I took this opportunity and enrolled for this workshop.
In the beginning, I learned how to design the 3D parts in the software, and after designing those parts, I got to know how to print those 3D parts in the 3D printer, which is already available in this center.
Then once all the parts are ready, then I started painting this robot with the help of community.
The next step was to assemble this robot. So after assembling the robot, my next step was to make that move. But to make that move, I had to code the robot. But I didn't have any knowledge about coding. So one of my seniors, Royston sir, and another one is Anand sir, helped me a lot in learning this code. So I was able to learn this code because of them, and I coded my own customized program, and I was able to execute the code in my robot.
Once this process, all the process has been completed, now my robot is ready to dance.
So first I tried to create a robot called Tyrobot, but after printing the parts of this robot, I got to know that I was missing one of the component in that robot. So I had to drop that plan and I had to move to another plan, that is Fiberbot. So this is called Fiberbot.
I would never thought that I would complete this robot, but today I completed this robot.
At the end, I would like to thank the CIIPDC Center and also the training system of College Innovators. I'd like to thank my coach Dikshit sir and also my seniors, that is Royston sir and Anand sir, for helping throughout all this journey to make this possible.
I thanks my parents for helping me, supporting me in extracurricular activities along with my academics, and also thanks to my mentor Dikshit sir for helping me to making this robot, and also thanks to all the community of CIIPDC. Yes, thank you.